You want to?
That's pretty cool.
Turn them this way. So we can get the video.
I usually do this on YouTube.
Wow.
Because I think it's cool.
I feel like we even put one in.
Ooh, that's easy.
Okay. Mama, look.
Where's the light thing? Get the light thing. Drop them in there.
Wait, we need to turn off that light.
Just hand that to me.
Turn off the lights.
This one's good. Now. That looks good. That looks good.
That's so creepy.
Now we just have to put blood down it.
Let's leave it in the middle of the table. Let's not put it outside.
Next year I'm gonna do little vampire things.
Okay, now. No more lights, people.
We did it. Give me 5, everybody. We did it.
I didn't do it.
In my book.
We knocked it out.
In the house of my book.
The last time that we did pumpkins, they messed up.
Book.
Yep. I gave her book a 5.
That's so cool.
Poor pumpkin. Just slaughtered it.
That was a long process. Getting all the stuff out and then.
No, let's see.
No, don't mess with the top. The top has to stay on there.
I know.
Open it up real quick.
No. What are y'all doing?
We have to turn the candles off.
I want to set it outside. I want to see it outside.
Ooh, that's gonna be pretty.